Hello once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel MTech and one of my videos. So in this video, I'm gonna make and design a business card or contact card in Microsoft Word. So before starting, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share it with your friends, and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's launch our Microsoft Word 2016 and today I want to show you that making a very simple and useful business card or contact card for yourself. So nowadays, most of people have social media like Facebook, like Instagram, Snapchat, or WhatsApp, like Telegram, anything else. So if you wanna to save that time and give your all address and all of this that I named, like social media, contact number, the ones and not taking too much time, you have to have a business card or contact card with yourself. So no need to spend money. You can design it at home and you can print it very like cheap price. Okay. So let's start, friends. So I need a shape here. I will draw it a size of a card like this, and let's change the color. And the color should be like red. Okay, take another. Come to insert and choose another shape here. So from here, I will choose this one, and I will draw it here. So take change the color to be white. So dear friends, the color is in your wish that every color that you like, you can choose it. So make these two things group, make it a group. So and let's like and then insert some text in here. Okay, come to insert and text box, draw text box, and in here you can draw it here. So the text come to the format, align text. It should be middle, and the text should start from the center and write what you want. Okay, I will make a card for myself. Aim, take. Okay, tutorial or MTech media like this. Okay. Change the size of the text, increase the size, and I will choose another font. Let me decide which font will looks good, and I will decide to. You can use down arrow keys for making down to choose the font. It's easy to use arrow keys. Okay, so I will find the cool one. So let's, if you have external mouse, you can use scroll. If you don't have, you're using your laptop, you can use arrow keys. So this one looking not bad. Again, I will come to format, and from format, I will choose shape outline, no outline to look like this, and I will increase again the size. So come to home menu, and from here you can increase, and if you wanted to make bold, make it bold. Make sure that the text is located in the center. So this would be like front card. So again, come to insert and draw text box, and here draw another text box, and a little bit increase the size of, and also you can here click right click and increase. So let me check from symbols. Do we have any like to find some symbols if we need? So here, or you can, if you want to insert some symbols or icons, you can bring it as a picture and make it small. So as I said before, it will be like simple one. So I will not add this time, and another video I will show you like that. And here phone should be okay, plus 62 78 78 78 90. And another thing that we are going to add is phone, email, and email is like someone at gmail.com. Next thing that you are going to add is no worries that in the print you can just click, it will show up like black. You can change the color. So next thing we are going to add is phone, WhatsApp, or Facebook. You can add Facebook here. Press enter and Facebook. Facebook take again. So you can add more details here, and I will add address at the end. Address, I will add Jakarta. Indonesia, okay. And you can come to the format once again and ship offline, no outline, okay. So here it is. So if you want to make like backcourt, you can also make it, okay. Take this shape and make it copy and control V, paste, put it here. And from here you can add again. I will copy this one once again, copy and paste. So I will put it here in the center, and I will come to insert text box and draw text box, and here I will add, if you have if you want to add weblog, you can add weblog. If you want to like uh, you want to write something more information, so you can write it like, and I will choose middle, and I will start writing. So I will write, if you want to write www dot, or you can say computer hardware and software service. So make it the center again, make it bigger, and put it in the center, and come to the format, ship outline, then no outline. So it's the ship is almost done, and if you want to save it, you can just save it. So how can you make like a picture and like PDF this one? So let's move it a little bit up. So come to the insert menu and screenshot, screen clipping, and you have to fast make the Microsoft Word app to in order to take uh, screenshot of Discord. Try to take a screenshot of Discord very carefully, like not to make like try to take every angles exact the exact angle of this card. So in order to move this picture, we cannot, as you see, we cannot move this. You have to come to wrap text and take in front text or behind text, and you can just like a picture right now. You can just save picture as. You can choose desktop, and from here you can save front card and save. So no need this one anymore, cut. And also once again, come to insert menu, screenshot and screen clipping. And once again, pop up the Microsoft Word window and again, take a screenshot. I hope I leave it so fast, so I hope it will cut correctly. So now it's almost nice and clear. So let's save this also in desktop, and I will rename it back card. Back. So save it, and this one you can cut it. Also, you can just make this one group in order to not move. If you want to move this one, you have to make it group, and this one with this one also make it group. So put here this one to looks like better, and here you can take this one with this one, make it group, and this one with this one, make it group also. And come to layout and the orientation landscape, and increase the size a little bit more, put it here and like this. So now your card is ready, dear friends. You can just print your card, and you can print the size of contact card like pocket card, and if any of your friends ask for your contact number or your address, you can just give it this to your friends. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and at the end, if you want to have more this kind of designs, and no need to Photoshop, just you can use Word very simply. And please support my channel, share it with your friends, and subscribe it. Thanks for watching. So